I'll start again. Can I have some more Abby in my monitors? Her voice, please.
Oh, Hannah. Thank you.
And some more tambourine. No offense.
You want more of me to then drown me out with your tambourine?
Yeah.
That's what I heard.
My tambourine doesn't get a licking.
Okay. This is Mr. Wilson.
We can talk it over as sun slips away. We're faced with the night, it will fade away, I'm sure. Tell me not to draw the line, I'm losing my fight, I'm doing just fine. I shouldn't have you on my mind. You say close your eyes and we'll be alright. This could all be chemical, it'll fade away, I'm sure. At the end of each day, it's you I breathe. I need more. So teach me how to disappear. Please show me why it's your ghost I fear. Keep on spinning through this haze. Every minute you're here, every minute we made. This could all be chemical, it'll fade away, I'm sure. At the end of each day, it's you I breathe. I need more. We can sit and wait, contemplate the world outside. We can talk it over as sun slips away. We're faced with the night, it'll fade away, I'm sure. Breaking branches as we climb, the closer we are, the less we try. So tell me not to draw